To make strawberry cupcakes, we use 3/4 of a cup of fresh strawberries, 3/4 of a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of sugar, half of a large egg, 1 large egg white, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We decided to see what would happen if we changed to flour. So we made 4 different cupcake batters, each time using a different flour. We used buckwheat flour, cake flour, all-purpose flour, and bread flour. Using an electric mixer, we creamed the butter on medium-high speed until lightly fluffy. Then we added the sugar. Then we added the egg and egg white and mixed until lightly blended. Add vanilla extract. Then we added the flour, baking powder, and salt, as well as the milk and strawberries, which we had pureed. After putting the batter in the cupcake liners, we set the cupcakes to bake in the oven, which we had preheated to 350 degrees. We left the cupcakes there for 20 minutes. After we finished making the cupcakes, we had a blind taste test.
So I'm going to be giving you 4 samples, and I want you to tell me your thoughts on each of them. Here's sample number 1.
Kind of plain.
It's dry.
Not sweet. Tastes okay.
It's actually really sweet. I like it.
Kind of like a morning biscuit.
Kind of tastes like banana.
So here's sample number 2.
Definitely sweeter.
It's so plain.
And it's dry again. It's really sweet.
Oh, that one's good.
I don't really like it.
That's just like a sugar. That's like
It's
plain
like a
flour.
sugar cookie, but not as...
It's like a sugar muffin.
Texture is nice. Easier to eat than the first one.
And it had a little bit of the toastiness, which I like the crisp.
Yeah, I like the crisp.
Here, high five.
I'm still eating.
Sample number 3. This is your next one.
Feels like chocolate.
Yeah, it does feel like chocolate by the texture.
This one is kind of squishy, and it's sweet again.
This one's got a lot of flavor.
Oh my god.
It's chocolate.
It tastes weird.
A little more texture.
Not as dry as the others.
Did he take his blindfold off?
Just as sweet. Definitely a sugar.
That was terrible.
Tastes like apple cookies.
Okay, here's your 4th sample.
Not as sweet.
It was crunchy, like at the top.
It's got a little more gritty, coarse flavor to it.
It's a different type of flour.
Corn.
Corn, there it is. Corn. High five, air high five. I don't know where your hand is.
Moister than the other ones.
Tastes like fruit, kind of. I don't know, some kind of flavor in there I can't describe.
Okay, so what was your favorite sample?
Sample 3 was my favorite.
That was the buckwheat flour.
Number 2 was good. It was sweet. I like sweet things, and it had a nice texture when you're eating it. It melted in my mouth. 3 wasn't too bad. It was a little more powerful flavor.
What was your least favorite?
The first one.
Okay.
Kind of plain.
The buckwheat was terrible.